Lock your car. Turn the vehicle lights on remotely and stop or start your engine. It also has both hands-free or manual modes to suit. To lock or unlock your Renault Kadjar using the key card as a remote control, simply press the lock or unlock buttons on the card. Using this system overrides the hands-free mode. It's worth noting that the hands-free mode is the default mode, however. So, as soon as you start or stop your engine again, the hands-free mode will activate once more. To lock or unlock your car using hands-free, you just need to make sure your key card is on you somewhere, in a pocket or in a bag for example. As long as you are within the access zone, your Renault Kadjar will be able to detect the key card. And if you press the button, located on one of the front doors or on the boot opening, the vehicle will unlock. When you exit, just close the doors and press the same button once and your car will lock. The hazard lights will flash twice. If you want to deadlock your car, press the button twice. Sometimes it's useful to activate the vehicle lights remotely from the outside, for example, when you're locating your car in a car park. To do this, just press the light symbol on the keycard and the dipped beam headlights and interior lights will come on for 20 seconds. When the keycard battery gets low, you will see a message appear on the dashboard and you should replace it as soon as possible. To replace the battery, turn the keycard over in your hand like this and gently slide the rear casing away from you. Remove the battery cover and take out the battery by pressing one side and lifting the other. When you put your new battery in, just follow the direction and template shown on the inside cover. New batteries can be purchased from approved Renault dealers. Once your new battery has been fitted, press any button on the keycard 4 times and the message on your dashboard will disappear. We're going to show you what to do if your keycard doesn't work. This could happen due to the battery in the keycard running flat, the vehicle battery being flat, use of appliances operating on the same frequency as your keycard, or your vehicle being located in a high electromagnetic radiation zone. In the event of any of the above situations occurring, you'll need to access the integrated key held within your keycard. As before, turn the keycard over in your hand and gently slide the rear casing away from you, and you'll see the key. Take it out from the casing and insert it into the lock on the driver's door. Make sure you put it back in the keycard for safekeeping whilst not in use. In the event that your keycard battery dies and you do not have access to a new battery, you can still start your engine by depressing the clutch or brake and pushing the keycard into the start button. For further information, you can check your manual or contact your nearest Renault dealer.